Hello my dear students. Today we will learn how to add 4-digit number. Right now? How to add 4-digit number. Means today I will tell you about the addition. I think addition is not new to all of you right now. In your third standard, in your second standard, you just learned about the addition. But in this standard, we have to add 4-digit number. Okay? And obviously carryover also will be there. Okay, let us take so I'm going to start with one example. Okay, so let us take one example. The first one is there are two numbers, any numbers we can take as per our convenience. Any number we can take. For example, first number is 4 3 2 1. Okay, and the second number is 1 4 3 2. So this is our first number 4 3 2 1. I mean to say, if we will read it, so it will be ones, tens, it is ones, it is tens, it is hundred, it is thousand, 4,321. This is our first number, and then 1,432. This is our second number. Okay, we have to add it. So we will keep here plus for the addition. Then we will start to add. Okay, so 1 plus 2, 1 and plus 2, so it will be 3. Okay, then 2 plus 3, okay, 2 and 3. 2 and 3, it will be 5. Then 3 plus 4, it will be 7, and 4 plus 1, it will be 5. It was easy, na? If you are facing any kind of difficulty in the addition and such kind of simple addition, you can do one thing. It is 1 na. You can make the circles as you did in your earlier classes, right now. Your teacher told you to make the circles or balls and then just add up them or count them. How many are they in total? Okay, in that way also you can do. So this is my first example. Okay, now I am taking another question, another example. So for, this is the second problem. And this is our second example. Okay. And the number is 5,543. Okay, and another number that I am taking, it is 4,346. 47, not 6. Okay, now these two numbers we have to add. So first of all, what we will do, we will write them in the column form. Column form means in that form. Here I have written now. Okay, then only we can add up them very easily. Okay, so see here, we will write this number first because this number is given here. So 5, 5, 4, 3. Okay, then what is the second number? 4, 3, 4, 7. So we have to write this number just below this number right now. This number will come here, but where the 7 will come? 7 obviously, since this is ones digit, so this 7 is also on the ones place right now. So this 7 will come right below 3. Then this is 4. It is on tens place. Here so it will come here right below 4. Okay, then this 3, it is on 100 place, so it will come here. Then this 4, it will come here, obviously on the 1000 place. Okay, then we can add them up. Okay, since space is very less, so I am going to wrap this question because already we have noted down here in the form of column. Okay, so there is no need of this question. Okay, so I am rubbing it. Okay, now let us start. It is 3, it is 7. We have to add 3 and 7. Okay. How we can add? It is 3 na, and 7. 7 means these fingers are 5 and these two fingers total are 7. Okay. We have to add up 3 also. So we will start to count up right after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right now? Got it? These are the 7 fingers. Okay? And already 3 is written here. So we will start to count right after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So the add of 3 and 7 is 10. It is 10. Shall we write here 10? No. We cannot write here 10 because we will write here only one digit. So that is your choice. Your choice that you will write here 1 or 0. Either you can take 1 or you can take 0. But if we are writing here 1, the answer will get wrong. Because always we are starting from ones place. Right now? Ones place. So what is there on the ones place? 0. So we will write here 0. Okay. Now what about this one? 1 is left and a total addition was 10. So what we will do? We will take the carry of 1. We will write above 4. Okay. It is the carry over. Now 4 plus 4, 8 and plus 1, 9. I hope all of you are getting. Okay. Now further no more carry over. So 5 plus 3. The same way it is 5. It is 3. So these are my 3 fingers. So right after 5 I will start to count. 6, 7, 8. So it will be 8. Now again it is 5 plus 4. So it is 4 na. These are my 4 fingers. Okay. And right after 5 it is written here. And you have to add 4. Okay. So we will start 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it? So this will be the answer. 9, 8, 9, 0. Got it? I hope all of you got it. Okay. It is so simple. Now I am taking some more examples to explain it briefly. Let me rub the board. See here. If this is my third example, if the problem is like that, 999 plus 29 plus 7. What we have to do here? We have to add all these numbers right now because plus plus. So first of all, what we will do? We will write them in the column form. Okay. So let us start. It is 999. It is 999. So we have written here 999. Then the second number is 29. Okay. It is 3-digit number. It is 2-digit number. Okay. So we can't write 29 here. If you are writing 29 here, your answer will get wrong. So where we will write this 29? 9 is on ones place. And here see this 9 is on ones place. So this 9 will come right below this 9. Then this 2 is on tens place. So this 2 will come right below this 9. Okay. Now no more number is given. So leave it. Okay. The space is vacant. So let it be. No problem. Space is vacant. But we don't have the third digit now. So let it be. Okay. Now see the third number. Third number is 7. It is 1-digit number. Okay. So where we will write it? We can't write it here or anywhere. Again, the same rule. It is a ones digit. So we will write just below. 9. Okay. Now we have to add it. Got it now? So the same way, 9 plus 9. So how we will add it? It is 9 plus 9. How we will add? See, look at my fingers. These are 5, these are 9. Okay, these are 5, these are 9. Now we will start to count right after this 9. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Right now, it means 9 plus 9, 18. Okay, 9 plus 9. What will be the result of these two 9 plus 9? It will be 18. We are writing somewhere in rough. Okay, just to understand it properly. Now this 7 is left. We have to add this 7 also, na? So again, the same procedure, the same way. 7 means these are my 7 fingers. Now after 18 we will count. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so it means this 18 and plus 7 answer will be 25. But the same thing is happening here also. Shall we write here 25? The whole means 2 and 5. Okay, but we will write here not 25. We will choose the digit which is on ones place. So what is on ones place? This is on ones place. 5 is on ones place. Okay, so we will write here 5. Now what about this 2? Because the number was 25. We were getting 25. So this 2, obviously this 2 will be the carry over. Okay, this 2 will be the carry over. Again I am going to rub it because there is no need of it. We have written in that form, in the column form. So I am rubbing it. Okay, see, because there is less space. Space is not enough. Okay, now see here. This is the carry over. Now 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. After 9 plus 2. 10, 11. Okay. Then plus 2. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2, 11. Then plus 2. Plus 2, 11. 12, 13. Got it? So again we are getting a number 13 now. So shall we write here 13? Your answer will be no. Because we can't write here 13. So what we will write here? This 3. Okay. We will write here 3. Got it? Now this one, this will be the carry over. Okay. Now 9 plus 1, 10. This will be our answer. Got it? Okay. One more thing you can do. For example, we have written here 2, 9. Okay. The space is vacant now. So fill this space. You can put here 0, 0, 0. Okay. If you are getting confused, you can put here 0. Because this is a property. This is a property of, see, I am telling you, this is a property, or you can say a rule. If 0 is added to any number, if 0 is added to any number, result will be number itself. Right now, result will be number itself. Okay. 0 is added to any number, so the result will be number itself. The same way, if 0 is subtracted from any number, definitely the result will be number itself. So if I am just writing it in the form of number, so I mean to say, if I am doing 23 plus 0, so the result will be 23 only. You will not say that some students, they are just writing like that. That 23 plus 0, they are writing 230. It is because 0 has no value. Whether 0 is subtracted from any number or is added to any number, result will be number itself. Okay. Now the next problem I am going to tell you. I think this property is clear to you. Okay. Now word problem. I am taking a word problem. Okay. For addition. See, very simple. Listen it carefully. I went to market. I went to market. Okay. I went to market. I purchased since it's a summer season. So I purchased a cooler. Okay. I purchased a cooler. And one tube light was not working properly at my home. So I purchased one tube light also. Okay. And I paid a different amount. I paid different amount. Okay. So how much I paid for both? Right now? How much I paid for both? I hope you heard it carefully. I went to market and I purchased one cooler and one tube light. And I paid different amount for both. Okay. So how much I paid overall or total? Anything we can write. Okay. So the question I am going to write over here. I purchased one cooler of rupees 4,000. Okay. Also and also I also purchased one tube light of rupees 350. How much did I pay? How much did I pay? Okay, it means if I am purchasing both the things, so overall how much did I pay? How much did I pay? Just to know it, what we will do with these numbers? Okay, so this is your problem. This is your problem. If you are not able to understand, I am giving you very simple example. Okay? All of you are fond of chocolates, right now? All of you are fond of snacks also, like chips. Okay? So you went to a shop. You went to a shop and you purchased both. Okay? You have given 10 rupee for chocolate and a 20 rupee for chips. Okay? Then your mother asked to you how much you paid for both. What will be your answer? Or she is asking, how much money have you given to the shopkeeper? How much money have you given to the shopkeeper? Right now? So what you will do? Instantly you will say 30 rupees. Why? Because you just added both the rupees. 10 rupees for chocolate and 20 rupees for chips. So 10 plus 20 will be 30. The same way, if I purchased two things from the market right now, so definitely I paid some amount. Okay. So what I did, I paid them. Maybe from one shop I purchased or maybe from different shop I purchased. But overall, I just spent some money. Right now, I just spent some money. So how much did I spend? Just to know, we will add up both the amount. Okay. So here in the word problems, it is necessary to write the sentences. Okay. To write the sentences. Now see here. I am writing here solution. How we are making the sentence. Just read the question very well. Okay. I purchased one cooler of rupees 4,000. Okay. So we will write here cost of cooler is equal to rupees 4,000. Now read it again. And I also purchased one tube light of rupees 350. So cost of tube light cost of tube light rupees 350. It is a 4-digit number, it is a 3-digit number. Okay, so we will write it carefully. We will not write 3 below 4. We will write like that 0, 5 and 3 here, because on 1's place 0 is there, on 10's place 5, on 100 place 3, and on 1000 place nothing is there. Okay, nothing is there in this number. So we are leaving the place vacant. Okay, now add up these two. 0 plus 0, nothing, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. Then 0 plus 3, 3. And then 4, so 4. So how much I paid? 4,350. So the last line will be, I paid 4,350 rupees. Okay, this is my answer. I hope you got it. Okay, because you people are having problem in the word problems only right now. And word problem, nothing you have to do. Just read the question well and make the sentence. Okay, because in exams you are getting marks for sentence also. So sentence making is compulsory right now. Okay, I hope you understood it. So I am going to rub it. Now I will tell you one more example. Okay, I will tell you one more example. That also will be word problem. Okay, don't worry. Today I will clear all the doubts, whatever you people are having. There is a story. Okay, listen that story very carefully. There were 3 friends. Okay, there were 3 friends. Maybe you are also having many friends now. Okay, so they were very close to each other. They went to visit a fair or exhibitions right now. Generally, maybe you also visited. Okay, so those 3 friends visited a fair. Okay, those 3 friends visited a fair. Now, when they were in fair, they just saw many things, beautiful things. Right now, they were having some money which was given by their mother. Right now, whenever you are going to somewhere, okay, your mother, your father, if you are going alone, okay, you are going, but you are quite small, so don't go alone anywhere. Okay, it's a story only. Okay, they went to a fair. 3 friends went to a fair. They saw many beautiful things. Then they purchased few things. Okay, so what they purchased? One friend purchased a toy. Okay, one friend purchased a toy, and second friend, he purchased a box, and third friend, he didn't purchase purchase anything. Actually, he paid for the swing because he was fond of swinging. Okay. How much money did they pay altogether? This is your question. Altogether. When such kind of words are coming there, altogether, total. Okay. It means you have to do addition. Okay. So the question is, one friend, I am not writing the whole question. One friend purchased, what he purchased? Toy. Purchased toy of 250 rupees. Okay. And another friend purchased box, okay, box of rupees 150. Okay. And the third one, third friend, they were three na? In the story, how many boys were there? Three boys, three friends. Okay. Third friend purchased, third friend purchased or just given money to swing, or just purchased any other toy, okay, or just bow or arrow, anything, any toy. Purchased something of rupees 50. Okay. How much they paid? How much they paid? How much they paid all together? This is your problem. What you will do? Simple. You will make the sentences. They are asking how much they, yes, they were having different means the money was given by their mother, right now? They were having their separate money, but still, how much they spend all together, okay, when they visited the fair. So they are asking all together, na? It means these all three amounts we will add up, then only we will get the answer. Okay, so this is the solution. How we will make the sentence? Same way. Friend purchased toy of, so just write cost of toy is equal to rupees 250. Then cost of box is equal to rupees 150. Then cost of thing, something he purchased, just to say a band he purchased. Okay, so cost of band is equal to rupees 50. Now we will add up. Now see here, 250 3 digit, so we have written 150 right below it, but 50 it is 2 digit number, so the same way 0 will come below the 0 and 5 will come below the 5, and nothing is there on the 100 place, so we will leave the place vacant. Okay, now addition 0 0 0 0 we are adding 1000 times, then also the result will be 0. If see here, if I am writing 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus, I am writing 100 of times of means 100, 1000, whatever you are willing to write, you can write, but the answer will be 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, answer will be 0. Now here 5 plus 5, so the same way, 5, then plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then again 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it will be 15, but we will not write 15. In place of 15, we will write the 5. Okay, and 1 will be the carry over. Then 2 plus 1, 3, and plus 1, 4. Okay, so this is the total. This is the total amount which they spend all together in the fair. Okay, so this we can write how much amount they paid all together. They paid rupees is 450 altogether. I hope you are getting right now. So in this way we need to solve the word problems which are given in your book exercise, and obviously in the chapter 2. Okay, and you can add up. One more thing I would like to explain you. I think that is also a bit difficult for you and given in your chapter also. Okay, just see, I am going to rub it. I hope it is clear. Okay, so I am going to rub it and I am going to write another example. This is your problem. Okay, simply you will say we have to add them. Okay, yes, you will say we have to add them. It is so simple, ma'am, we can do it. But there is a twist. What is the twist? Here they are asking, make a story in your own words. Right now, for example, in word problems, the sentences were given, words were given, that I purchased this thing, he purchased that thing, and then how much we paid. Okay, here they have given two numbers. Okay, and these we have to add up. Actually we have to add up, but before adding them up we have to make our own story. Okay, we have to make our own story. Let us start. What story we can make? Just think about it. The number is, you are studying in a school right now. Okay, so I think it's a co-ed school. Your school is co-ed. Okay, I got a story. What is the story? There are 1,225 boys. It is 5:45, so I will write, and 5:45 girls. Okay, in my school. In my school. Now addition, you have to show the addition. So just one sentence also we can make right now. How many students are there in total? Got it? There are 1,225 boys, 545 girls in my school. How many students are there in total? Okay, or I can write how many students are there in my school. Okay, in place of total I can write in my school. It means separately they are given. If you have to find out total number of students, so what we in total. Okay, so this is my story. I just made it in this way, and you can make it in your way. Okay, now I have to make the sentences so easy. Boys, because it is written over there, there are 1,220 boys. So I have written boys in my school. These many boys are there, so I have written. Then in second line, girls in my school, so 545. And obviously it is 3-digit number, it is 4-digit number. Okay, so the 1,000 place will be vacant here. Okay, don't write 5 here and 4 here and 5, it will get wrong. Okay, then we have to do the total. So 5 plus 5, 10, and 2 plus 4, 6, and 1 carry over. So it will be 7, and then 2 plus 5, 7, and nothing is there below 1. It means it is 0, so 1, so 1. For now, I think it is enough for the day. Next time I will be there with my new video for new chapter. Till then, practice for the all exercises of chapter 2. Bye bye.